going on, guys? Welcome back to this episode of Custom with Vic. For today's project, we got these Bleached Coral Jordan 1s that we're going to be customizing. The idea here is to wash out all the pink and then figure out what's next. This one's fully inspired by my boy Kevin Concepts. Check him out on Instagram. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to take out our laces, insoles, and while we're at it, using a seam ripper, we're going to take off these Nike tongue tags because we won't need them. Got everything off the shoes. Now it's time to remove the color off the pink. We're going to be using some Rit color remover. This stuff you could buy at the store, Amazon, Fry's, or even Michael's. Let's go pick some up. So we're here at Fry's. Originally I was going to go to Michael's, but they did not have any in stock. Luckily, this place does. We're going to take it off so nobody else can have this. Rit color dye remover. Let's go. We're back. We got a Rit color remover. We also got a bucket of hot water thanks to our bucket heater. Basically what's next is we're gonna grab this stuff, mix it in real well. We'll probably put 2 packs inside. Once it's fully mixed up, we'll put the shoes inside. Then separately, we'll put the insoles as well. Hopefully it wipes off the pink from the insoles and the suede. Let's see how it goes. So far so good. A lot of the pink has washed out. There's still some pink in the back tab, so we're gonna let these sit for a while longer. Once they're good to go, we'll take them out, let them air dry. When we do that, we'll put these inside as well. Got the shoes out of the tank. They sat in there for a good 30 minutes. All that pink dye washed out nicely, specifically on the toe box and this back panel. Didn't take very long at all. This back panel took a lot longer, but eventually the dye did come out. After that, we had to put the shoes in the washing machine. The Rit color remover works great, but it stinks really bad. So we had to wash off all that smell using our detergent pods and the washing machine. The shoes sat in water, so the suede got really crunchy. So for this, we'll be using our medium bristle brush to get it back to its original soft texture. Got the suede feeling soft again. One thing I want to point out is the pink insoles. They're still pink. I tried putting them in the Rit color remover. It just didn't work. Same thing with the pink stitching. That didn't work on there either. Next, we're going to do some taping. Shoes are all taped up. Now let's dye the suede blue. Blue is good to go. It kind of looks like a UNC Jordan 1 low. I like it. Next step, we gotta grab our Nike tongue tags. The reason why I lay down blue on these shoes is because we have some Nike blue tongue tags. These are the denim Jordan 1s. Let's go ahead and sew them using the post bed. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on these custom Jordan 1 lows. These aren't bleached corals anymore. I was thinking, a good name for these, bleached blue Jordan 1 lows. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think is a good name for these. Overall, this was an easy project. It didn't take much work at all. All I did was put this shoe in some Rit color remover and removed all the pink dye. After that, I got creative with it. Really, I could have gone any single direction. I could have put green, red, yellow, or any color, but I went with blue just because of these blue tongue tags from the denim Jordan 1 lows. And ultimately, I think it's a clean touch. At first, I thought they looked like the UNC Jordan 1 lows, but in my opinion, these look kind of cleaner. The blue just is a bit more vibrant. I like the blue on the toe box. Now that I'm done with these, I'm really glad that I got these in my size. The blue looks great. All we gotta do now to make these fully wearable is go outside and spray some water and stain repellent. Basically, I'm gonna focus on the blue areas because I don't want those blue areas to bleed when I wear them. These are perfect now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vic Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday. See you guys.